Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo code deals for Hotstar. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar I'm going to type in Hotstar promo code deals. Alright, once I've done that I'm going to click on search, and then we're brought to the list of Google search results here, and as you can see we've got a few different third-party sites. So we've got Worth the Penny offering 45% off Hotstar.com, got ValueCon, keep going down, we've even got Gadgets 360, couponcode.in, so don'tpayfull.com. So the one I like to use for this site is actually don'tpayfull.com. So as it states, 10% off Hotstar coupon deals. So we're over at don'tpayfull.com. So you can check out all the different type of coupon promo code deals they've got. At the moment, they've only got 2 at this time of recording, but this changes daily and weekly. So if I want to get 10% off my annual subscription, I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to click on copy and paste this at the checkout section of Hotstar for your 10% off your annual subscription. As you can see, this code is verified as well, but these do expire. So just make sure if it is expired, come back at a later date or just simply use a different code.